Good afternoon, Loretta. This is Byron with First Class Digital Marketing. As promised, here is a short video with tips and tricks on enhancing your website and driving more traffic utilizing your Google profile. And these tips and tricks can be used in-house as well. So feel free to use this information as you please. And just getting started here, I do show you have a contact us right here in the beginning. I would also add a phone number right here that is clickable to call. That leads to a lot more conversions on your website as well. And as I go through your website here, I do show you have a few pictures. Looks like you have some content as well. Now, Google likes to see about 15 to 2,000 words, depending on the competition and the keywords being used on the homepage as well. Now, a keyword is anything that anyone searches into Google looking for a specific product or service. And with Google, it loves information. So you definitely want to strategically place those keywords within your content, which will allow Google to know the terms on which you want your website to be found. And your pictures as well can be saved as keywords. So I suggest saving those in the background with keywords as well. And looking at your website into this tool called Ahrefs that we use, you can use this website as well, but it just gives a basic analytical breakdown of your website. And what we look at is what they call the UR and the DR. So this is the strength of your website, and this is how much trust that Google has into your website. So you want to be about 30 to 40 with these numbers, and utilizing these tips, it will definitely drive those numbers up for you. And you have about 46 backlinks with about 17 referring domains. Backlinks are any type of website that is referring back to your website via clickable text. They act as an endorsement to your website, but not all backlinks are made equal. Some are spammy and can hurt your website. Others are authoritative, so you definitely want to go after the authoritative backlinks. Um, those will actually bring more strength to your website as well. And looking here, there are no keywords on your website, which is leading to 0 clicks per month to your website. So adding keywords and adding backlinks to your website will actually drive these numbers up, which will lead to more traffic. And as far as keywords, you want to use local buyer intent keywords. Those are keywords that target the product and the service areas that you provide as well. Now, going to Google, when I type in plumber, Denver, Colorado, just to take a look at the competition, you have what we call the map pack section here, or the Google My Business. And then down here is what we call the organic listing. So you definitely want to be ranking on this section here at the top, and then also at the top of this section here. It's easier to find, and these are actually about 30 to 40% of the traffic going to your website and the leads that will be calling your phone as well. And how we actually rank on this Google Map Pack section here. What you want to do is that you definitely want to make sure that you get good, consistent reviews, and you want to make sure that you are responding to those reviews as well. A lot of businesses do not know to respond uh, to those reviews. And then also, this is the About Me section here. This is about 750 characters. So you want to fill that out in full as well. And then also, um, whenever your phone number, your address, and your website, you want to make sure those are listed the same across LinkedIn, Facebook, or Instagram, any of those websites. You want to make sure all of that information is the same. And then you also want to make sure that you are saving any pictures as well. You want to put as many pictures as you can on this section as well, which is going to help you rank higher into this section. And then what we have is also citations. So citations are anywhere that your business phone number, address, and name are going to be listed all the same, which will lead to you getting into more directories, such as Yelp, the Yellow Pages, Better Business Bureau, um, thousands more actually. So you want to make sure that all of your information is the same across the board. And as we look at some competition here, which is Brothers Plumbing, looking at their website, as you can see, they have a clickable phone number here that I stated earlier. And going through their website, they have some pictures. Looks like they have a lot of content as well. But the competition is beatable as I look. It's not too much content on this page here. So as we plug them into the areas that we used earlier, as you can see, their trust with Google is at a 32. The power is a little bit low. So with backlinks and keywords, you want to either match them or you want to beat them out by 100 in order to outrank the competition. As you can see, they have about 126 backlinks with 45 referring domains. And the keywords here, they have about over 1,000 keywords listed here, which is getting them about over 2,000 clicks per month. And you can see the value right there. And just looking at their keywords here, let's see, plumbing Denver. So the volume represents how many times that is being searched per month. That is about 900. Plumbers Denver, Colorado, Plumber Denver. Let's see, Plumbing Services Denver. So as you can see, they have a lot of good keywords as well. You can actually use these keywords on your website as well, which will again increase the trust that you have with Google and the help with your ranking. So I would suggest using some of these keywords. As you can see, Denver Plumbers is about 500 volume per month. So if you use these tips or tricks, these will definitely add more value to your website and to get you ranking higher. If you have any other questions or anything that I can help with, I do this for a living. Please feel free to reach out to me via email or my phone number as well. And I do hope you found this video very educational, and I will talk to you soon. Thank you.